So good day, everyone. I am John Vincent S. Salmon. So today I'll gonna explain my answer on the activity that was given to us of our professor or sir. So first is the identification or of addressing modes. So before identifying it, our professor always says that always look to where the data is. So first is the move AX, comma BX. So my answer is register addressing mode. So because both operands are registers, wala tayong binoksang memory or there is no computation which is simply CPU copies BX to AX. So number two is move AX, comma open brackets 1, 2, 3, 4 letter H and the close bracket. So my answer here is direct addressing mode. So inside the brackets is a fixed memory address, which is the 1, 2, 3, 4 letter H. And it means that the instruction itself contains the exact memory address. So that's the definition of direct addressing mode. So next, number three is move EL, comma, open bracket, SI, close bracket. So my answer here is register indirect addressing mode. So the brackets indicates the memory access, but the address is stored inside the register, which is the SI. So CPU will read the content of SI and that becomes the memory address. So number four is the move open brackets BP plus DI close bracket comma AX. So my answer here is base index addressing mode. So it's simply BP is equal to base register and DI is equal to index register. So to combine the base plus index is equal to base index addressing mode. And there is no displacement. So it's pure base index. So number five is the move CX, comma, open bracket, BX plus SI plus 08H, close bracket. So my answer here is base index with displacement. So basically, the base, which is the BX, the index is the SI, and the constant is the 08H. So if there is a base, index, and constants, so automatic, the answer is base index with displacement. So number six is move open bracket DI close bracket, comma EX, which is my answer is register indirect addressing because the memory is accessed through the DI and there is no register and there is no displacement. It's just a pure register indirect. So number seven is move AX, comma, open bracket BP minus 10 H, which is my answer is base with displacement because it uses the BP, which is the base register. Then it have the displacement, which is the 10H, the constant. So that is the base addressing with this displacement. So number eight is move AX, comma 5678 H, which is my answer here is immediate addressing. So basically, the operand is given directly inside the instruction. There is no memory access. It basically immediate value, which is the 5678H. So number nine is the move AX, comma, which is open brackets BX close bracket. So my answer here is the register indirect. So same logic to the number 3 and number 6, which is BX holds the memory address. So that's why it's indirect addressing. So next is the exercise number 2, which is write code for a specific addressing mode. So here the instruction is write 8086 assembly code snippets to demonstrate the following addressing modes. So number 1 is immediate addressing, which is here is store the value 0 times or X55AA into the AX register. So my answer here is move AX, comma 55AAH. So basically, uh, AX gets the value immediately from the instruction itself, and the constants we have the 55AAH is immediately inside the instruction. That's why the it's immediate addressing. So number 2 is register addressing. So copy the contents of BX into AX. So my answer here is move AX comma BX simply because the source and destination are both registers. The CPU directly transfers the data internally so that and it has no memory involved or no memory access. So number 3 is direct addressing, which is move the value stored at memory location 1234 H into AX. So my answer here is move AX, comma, open brackets 1234 H, close brackets. So the instruction gives the exact memory address, which is the 1234H. So, and it has no computation of address. So the operand is directly in memory. So number 4 is register indirect addressing, which is access the memory location pointed to by SI and store its value in AX. So my answer here is move AX, comma, open bracket SI, close bracket. So it explains that the SI contains the memory address, not the instruction, and CPU uses SI as the pointer, which is the register indirect. So in number 5, which is the index addressing, so the instruction is retrieve a value from the memory address pointed by the sum of DI and a displacement of 10H and store it in AL. So my answer here is move AL, comma, open brackets DI plus 10H close brackets. So basically the DI itself is the index register and we added the 10H, which is the displacement or the constant. So index addressing uses the index register like the SI or DDI plus the constant. That's why it's index addressing. So last number, which is the number 6, base index addressing. So instruction is access memory using the sum of BX and SI and move the value into AX. So my answer here is move AX, comma, open bracket BX plus SI, close bracket. So the CPU compute the address using the base register, which is the BX, and the index register, which is the SI. That's why that is the definition of base index addressing. So next is the exercise number 3, which is the address calculation. So the instruction is given the base address 1000 H, segment address 2000 H, and a displacement of 0010 H. So number 1 is compute the physical address for the instruction move AX, comma, open brackets 1000 or 1000 H, close bracket, in direct addressing mode. So my answer here is first, I get the formula, which is the physical address equals to segment times 16 plus the offset. So in the number one is the given is, which is the segment equals to 2000, which or 2000 each, and the offset equals to 1000 or 1000 each. So uh, number one, we need to get the direct addressing, which is the move AX, comma, open brackets 1000 H, close brackets. So first is step one, 2000 or 2000 H times 10, H equals to 2000, 20,000 H. Then step two is 20,000 each plus 1,000 each, which is equal to 21,000 each. That's the final physical address of the number one, 21,000 each. So we use the direct addressing mode. So no register computation. Offset is equal to 1,000 each. So number two is base index with displacement. So the number two is compute the physical address for move AX, comma, um, open open brackets BX plus SI plus 10H, close bracket, with BX equals to 1234H and SI is equal to 4321H. So my answer is, given the physical address equals to segment, which is the formula here, is physical address equals to segment times 16 plus offset. So Bx is given equals to 1234H, and the Si is the 4321H, and the displacement equals to 000010H, and the segment is 2000H. So the solution is offset first. We get the offset, which is the Bx plus Si plus 10H, and so the value of Bx is 1234H, and the value of Si is 4321H, and the value of 10H is 0010H. So we get the offset is 5565H. So now let's compute the physical address, which is 2000H times 10H equals to 20,000H. Then the 20,000H plus the offset that we got earlier, which is the 5565H. So equivalent to 25565H. So that's the final physical address in the number two. Uh, we use the base plus index plus displacement. That's the exactly matching of the answer in the number two. So next is the exercise number four, which is debug and analyze. So instruction here is analyze the following code snippet and answer the questions. So here is the code, program code, which is move AX, comma, open brackets SI, close brackets, then move SI, comma 2000H, then add AX, comma open brackets SI plus 10H, close brackets, then move open brackets DI, close brackets, comma AX. So first is we need to identify the addressing modes used in each instruction. So my answer here is move AX, comma open brackets SI, close brackets, which is the addressing modes used here is register indirect addressing mode. So next line is move SI, comma 2000H. So the addressing mode that is used here is immediate addressing mode. So next is the third line, add AX, comma open brackets SI plus 10H, close brackets. The addressing mode used here is base index with displacement mode. So next is the last line, move open brackets di, close brackets, comma ax. The use addressing mode here is register indirect addressing mode. So the number two, next is the number two. If the value at the memory location 2000H is 1234H and at 2000H plus 10H, so is 5678H, what will be the final value of AX? So my answer here is given, which is the 2000H is equal to 1234H and 2000H plus 10H, the value here is 5678H. So solution is first move AX comma open brackets SI close brackets, which is we assume that the AX is equals to 1234H. So move SI comma 2000H, add AX comma open brackets SI plus 10H close brackets. So the AX is equals to 1234H plus 5678H. So the answer here, which is the final value of AX, is 68ACH. So let me explain why 68ACH. So uh, the 4 plus H, which equivalent to 12, in hex addition, it's equals to letter A. Then 3 plus 7 is 10, which is the equivalent to hex addition is letter A. That's why it's 68ACH, which is the final value of AX. So last exercise, which is the number 5, practical problem. So instruction here is write a small assembly program that first loads the value 0 times ABCD into the memory location 3000H. Number 2 is retrieves this value using direct addressing mode and stores it in AX. So 3 is copies the value from AX to BX using register addressing mode. Lastly is stores the value in BX at the memory location pointed to by DI using register indirect addressing mode. And we assume that the DI is equal to 4000H. So my answer here, I write the small assembly program. So first is move word PTR, open brackets, 3000H, close brackets, ABCD, H. So why I use PTR? So the word PTR, which is the value is 16-bit, PTR tells the assembler the size of the memory operand. So that's why I use move word PTR. So next is the number 2, which is the retrieves this value using direct addressing mode and stores it in AX. So move AX, comma, open brackets 3000H, close bracket. Next is 3, copies the values from AX to BX using register addressing mode. The answer here is move BX, comma, AX. So last is stores the value in BX at the memory location pointed to by DI using register indirect addressing mode and assume that DI is equal to 4000. So my answer is move DI, comma 4000H and move open parenthesis DI, close parenthesis, comma BX. So number 3, copy AX to BX. It's simply pure register to register transfer. And to number 4 is register indirect because TI contains the memory address itself. And that's all for my all answers and all exercises from exercise number 1 to exercise number 5. Thank you.